In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all your data from QuickBooks to Excel efficiently and effortlessly. Managing your business finances requires precision, and QuickBooks is a powerful tool that simplifies this process. However, there may come a time when you need to export your data for more detailed analysis or simply for backup purposes. Today, we'll go through the simple steps to make this happen. Let's get started by first navigating to QuickBooks. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the address bar, https://qbo.intuit.com/app/homepage. Press enter, and you'll be directed to the QuickBooks homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to proceed, as you need access to your data. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so now using your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where the settings gear icon is located. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu houses several important options, and among them is the key to exporting your data. From the drop-down, you will want to select Export Data. This will take you to a new page dedicated to exporting options. Now, on the dedicated export page, you'll see a variety of categories. These could include items like transactions, invoices, and other financial data sections that your business tracks in QuickBooks. At this point, you can decide whether you want to export all the data or just specific sections. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be focusing on exporting everything. However, if you have specific needs, feel free to tailor your export by selecting or deselecting any categories that do or do not apply to you. After you've made your selection, it's time to finalize the export. Confirm your choices and initiate the process by clicking the Export to Excel button. QuickBooks will handle the extraction, compiling your data into a format that's ready for download. Depending on the size of your data, this might take some time. Be patient, as thoroughness ensures accuracy. Once the export is complete, a download prompt should appear. Choose a secure location on your computer to save this file, preferably one that you back up regularly. Remember, this exported data is a snapshot of your books, invaluable for tracking, analysis, or even sharing with your financial advisor. And that's how you export your data from QuickBooks to Excel. It's a straightforward process once you're acquainted with the steps. This export can be incredibly useful for advanced data analysis, ensuring all your financial details are at your fingertips outside of the QuickBooks platform. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.